Rules make things run smoothly, and the FlyLady is no exception. Today, for day 18 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to get to know those rules. If you check the description down below, I have linked a freebie with the 15 rules so that you may feel free to put in your control journal in the website. In addition, I have provided a link to the website so that you can check out those rules on the website if you so wish. There is also another freebie down below for principles that you can put in your control journal, and do not miss all of the freebies that have been and will be coming out. But if you want something a bit more extensive, then feel free to check out the bundle that came out, super productive bundle that will help you manage your homemaking. You can get it for $10 in the link right below. And if you are loving these freebies, I have a newsletter where I send out freebies all the time, so be sure to sign up for that. I will also link that down below. And if you want the productivity bundle, again, it is just $10, so be sure to check that out as well. Today's challenge is a super quick and easy one, but it's super duper important to know the FlyLady rules so that you can make it work for you. Let's not forget to keep up with all of the habits we have been doing so far, which include dressing to shoes, saying kind words to ourselves, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, preferably in the zone we're in, which this week we're in zone 1, the entryway. We're also doing a 15-minute rest, the cleaning mission of the day. We're also getting our clothes out for the next day, shining our sink, and yesterday we have added getting to bed on time. So let's make sure we're keeping up with all those routines, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 19 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.